On today's podcast, we're going to be talking about spill safety and procedures, so stay tuned.
Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast.
If you work at a facility long enough, you're going to encounter one or several of the following situations: leaks from ceilings, machinery creating condensation or leaking fluids, cleaning that needs to be contained, or staff accidents such as backing into and knocking over a barrel of oil. Now, those are just a few of the many scenarios you might experience. What do they all have in common? They're all spill related. So how do you respond to situations like this? First and foremost, make sure that staff, maintenance, and management are all notified of the spill. If the elements related to the spill are hazardous or present any sort of danger, clear or evacuate the area. Find where the spill is coming from, and if possible, stop it and clean it up with the proper spill kit products. If it can't be stopped, control it with the same spill kit products. Procedures may vary by location, but the above mentioned steps will be a great start. We look forward to seeing you next week for another Warehouse Safety Tips. Until then, have a great week and stay safe.
Before moving on, here's a word from one of our sponsors. If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips, and have a safe day.